Pronunciations with Putri. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to pronounce the consonants in the British Phonemic Chart. So in the British Phonemic Chart, we have 24 consonants. And in some languages, some of these consonants don't exist at all. So it can be quite tricky to learn them. But in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to pronounce them. You can also download the pre-phonemic chart that I created for you. Download that, watch this video, and you could start practicing the symbols and the pronunciation at the same time. So let's get started with that first consonants. Pot. Ba. Bat. T. Dog. Cheese. Judge. Calm. Go. Funny. Van. Think. This. See. Zoo. She. Vision. Me. No. King. Hurry. Love. Ready. Water. Yes. Okay guys, that is from me. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to download your completely free card down below. Download that, go through the video, practice your pronunciations, and also practice your listening skill. Get familiar with the sounds, because that earlier that you can start to distinguish the sound better. Okay guys, see you until next guys, and have a nice day.